Hey guys, Joshua here. So today this is just a quick little walk around video of what my 1978 Ford F-250 kind of looks like. So this is her. Surprisingly calm out. It was really windy last night or so, so I got a bunch of these little pine needles on it. Yeah. Walk around. So that box is new, well, new to the truck. There's that Bondo work from before. There's a big hunk of metal exposed here, right down all ridges and stuff. It's kind of smoothed it out, make it look a little nicer. So we got new leaf springs on both sides. A new pinion seal, shocks, lots of new stuff in the front. Some of the emissions taken out, so it runs a little smoother. New cab corners, lots of stuff. So this truck was found in a field. I did some tree work for the farmer who owned it, and I traded in. And on that side. And one thing I have is whoever works on the truck, they have to sign the gas tank with a Sharpie, just to kind of keep track who's been on it, and kind of a fun little project. The dash pad in there was a replacement from a truck from a friend's yard of a similar truck, actually, where I got this box from. Brown dash pad, see if I can get it in there. Yeah, not too bad of shape. Seat's a little ripped on that side, but it's not bad. Overall, it's good. You know, cold starts, not its favorite, but that's kind of classic with these older trucks. I do have two block heaters for it. That was one thing we replaced too. Oh, we're here, might as well pop the hood here. One thing I'd like to get is the new hood cowl, the weather seal for up here. Very hard to find here in Canada for some reason. You have to order it from the States. And that big coffee can thing, transmitter, whatever it was, used to sit here. Before I knew much about these trucks, I thought that was a farmer fix, but no, that's factory. New coils. The old ones were actually original from 1978. They set it right on it, which was really, really cool. Had that for the scrapbook. The battery charger, make it happen right here. Brand new. Not too long ago, I did a flush of the radiator, however you want to pronunciate it. New, shoot, that's, wow, master cylinder. Brain farting on that one. Yeah, aftermarket light. Yeah, it's not too bad. But happening soon is I got to do paint, or blah, 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 blah. I have to sand it down, basically the whole thing, from all like the little dents and nicks and stuff, and just fix that. Yeah, good. Just like stuff like this, all this has got to be sanded. Just sanded. Kind of redo this. This is just a temporary fix with the Bondo for now. Sand this. Get down here, sand this. These spots. Everything here, kind of sand this up. Dents, because my good friend Paul is going to paint the truck for me for a really, really good cost. Seeing if I can work some tree work for him to kind of bring that cost down. Plus I got a few items that he kind of wants that we're kind of making a deal on here. But yeah, it's I've noticed this industry, or not industry rather, but this kind of hobby, and the people in this hobby are very kind. I guess that's relative to who you attract, I guess, if you're like a kind person. But like everyone I've met has been so nice and open, and you just try to be genuine with your interest. And I find a lot of like the older guys really appreciate the younger guys taking true interest in this older stuff, because they definitely don't make it. Like, vehicles nowadays don't have as much character, I feel, as they did back in the day. Yeah. But yeah, again, this is just me in my 1978 Ford F-250. It's a 351 modified in there. I've heard different stories about good or bad, but it's an old engine, so you know, like, it runs a little warm sometimes. After I did the rad flush, it kind of really fixed that. My oil pressure is a little wonky with it. I want to replace the gauge just in case it's that, because sometimes those go, and I assume the last time it was replaced was never. So that's the thing, like, when you find these old trucks, is you kind of have to assume you don't know what's been done to it, and you don't want to just assume everyone's loving it as much as you did, because sometimes people they just fussed over their vehicles, or they didn't care or take as much time to appreciate what they had and just fixed it, didn't care, whatever. Yeah, so you have to assume they didn't do it right, because you never just want to assume it's done right, and then you get a fire, and then your whole rig goes up, and then goodbye. I don't know, I just really like these vehicles and like the older style, and whenever I see them on Marketplace, I wish I had more money. I wish I had a bigger shop that was actually heated to do stuff with and learn more on them and stuff, because I have an off season with work and it allows me to do this kind of stuff. But yeah, before this video turns into me just rambling about my vehicle, again, this is my beautiful Ford F-250, 1978. Yeah. Well guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the walk around video.